channel, release on Netflix. Let's start the video now. Golden Globe winning Netflix display The Kominsky Method is ready for other outing. The comedy drama is the advent of 8-time Emmy nominee Chuck Lorre of The Big Bang Theory and Two and a Half Men fame, and follows star Michael Douglas and Alan Arkin as getting older buddies navigating the performing enterprise and their later years in Los Angeles. Netflix has shown The Kominsky Method will go back for 6 episodes and its very last season on Friday 28th May. There are fewer episodes for the approaching season, and both seasons 1 and a couple of consisted of 8 episodes. The first season released in November 2018 and the second one released in October 2019. Yes, this is the 1/3 and very last season, and in a statement, author Chuck Lorre stated he became excited to wrap up the tale with this very last chapter. The Kominsky Method has been a real ardor task for me, and it's been a great enjoy to hear the nice and cozy reaction from each audience and critics, he stated. Also subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon for more Netflix movies, web series, reviews, news and updates. The comedy drama became formally hander following getting older actor and performing coach Sandy Kominsky and his longtime agent Norman Newlander. As Netflix places it, the duo holds their journey as buddies tackling lifestyle's inevitable curveballs as they navigate their years in Los Angeles, a metropolis that values youth in a display which is each comedic and emotional. So far, we have visible storylines concerning prostrate problems, grief and widowhood, addiction, aspiring younger actors, later lifestyle romance, own circle of relatives drama and friendship. Netflix's reliable synopsis reads, Sandy Kominsky has to navigate what getting older seems like without his longtime pal Norman Newlander via way of means of his facet inside the very last season of The Kominsky Method. Life handiest turns into an extra complex with the advent of Sandy's ex-spouse Rose Wallander. The pair's famously unstable dating is similarly infected while she involves Ellie to spend time with her daughter Mindy and her boyfriend Martin. The season of The Kominsky Method offers money, death, love, murder and all the other goals. In different words, the usual. Thank you for watching the video till end. For more Netflix movies, web series, reviews, news and updates, please visit our website www.releaseonnetflix.com, and if you like our video then hit the like button and share it with your friends. Also to stay updated, please subscribe to our channel, Release on Netflix.